The richest criminals are worth $80 billion. Criminal activity has been rising day by day, exponentially, and the people are more than just afraid. The police and their team have been trying to do their best in order to lower the criminal activity as much as possible, but they seem to be failing because of the power that lies on the hands of these criminals. These criminals are not only powerful, but also quite wealthy. But who are these criminals? Where do they get this money from? Why do they murder people? Continue watching the video till the end to know more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video from our channel. We hope you guys are doing extremely well. In this video, we will be talking about the richest criminals who are worth $80 billion. We will be diving deep into every aspect of the situation. So if you are new to this channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. Now without any further ado, let's hop right into the video. Firstly, we have Frank Lucas, a drug smuggler from the United States who operated in Harlem in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Famous for bypassing middlemen in the drug trade and purchasing drugs directly from his source in Southeast Asia's Golden Triangle, Lucas was born in the United States on September 9, 1930, as portrayed in the feature film American Gangster, which fictionalized elements of his life. Lucas boasted that he imported drugs using the coffins of deceased American service members. Lucas is estimated to have sold more than $1 million worth of heroin in a day and has a net worth of over $52 million. In addition to a vast supply of liquid assets, including heroin, he passed away in New Jersey on May 30th, 2019, at the age of 88. Then we have the very famous and the most notorious criminal of all time, Al Capone. Alphonse Gabriel Capone, very commonly known as Scarface, was an American gangster and merchant who became famous as the co-founder and boss of the Chicago gang during the Prohibition period. At the age of 33, his 7-year reign as a drug lord came to an end when he was sentenced to jail. Al Capone was born in Brooklyn, New York, in January 1899. Al Capone was reported to have died on January 25, 1947, at the age of 47, after having a stroke and going into cardiac arrest. At the time of his death, Al Capone's net worth was around $100 million. Then we have Dawood Ibrahim. Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar, for your information, is an Indian underworld king and drug lord who has eluded capture. Born on December 26, 1955 in Dongri, India, Dawood Ibrahim runs the Indian organized crime syndicate called the D Company, which was founded in Mumbai in the 1970s. Dawood is wanted for terrorism, murder, extortion, deliberate killings, narcotics, dealing, and a slew of other offenses. Back in 2003, India and the United States named him as a global terrorist. They also put a $25 million bounty on his head for his alleged involvement in the 1993 Bombay bombings. The FBI and Forbes called him number 3 on their list of the world's top 10 most wanted fugitives in 2011. Ibrahim controls 75% of the world's heroin trafficking. However, he is involved in a number of other businesses, including diamonds, gold, and real estate. With an estimated net worth of $6.7 billion, he is also among the richest criminals in the world. And lastly, we have Pablo Escobar, probably the most well-known drug lord in the present century. Pablo Escobar is unrivaled in his profession. Known as the King of Cocaine, was reported to have amassed a fortune that made him the wealthiest criminal in history, and also one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. For several years, he had a near monopoly over the drug trade in the United States. His empire was unrivaled in literature, and when read aloud, it almost seems made up. Every month, his organization brought in around 70 to 80 tons of cocaine into the United States, accounting for 80% of the country's sum, as well as hundreds of tons into countries in every region except Antarctica. He made $420 million a week as a result of this. Pablo's wealth gave him a lot of leverage, so he could bribe politicians or get them murdered if they refused to accept his bribes. Escobar ranked the 7th wealthiest man in the world by Forbes magazine, with a net worth of $30 billion, following his breakout from a Colombian jail in 1993. Escobar, however, was executed by Colombian forces with US assistance. And that's the end of our list. Did you enjoy watching the video? Do you have any other rich criminals in your mind which could be added to our list? Did we miss out on anything? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. We would love to hear your thoughts on this while we keep working on making more such videos. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please like the video if you have not already, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update from our channel. With that being said, let's meet in another one of these videos. Until then, see ya.